Right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody is doing well. Ooh. Came to the markets right at the right time, huh? Maybe at the wrong time, because we got some pushing. The market is pushing right now. Yeah, I hope you guys had a good trading day yesterday. I caught some moves after the stream as well. Yeah, GJ did a whole lot of pushing during London. I traded a bit of London as well. I was a good bit in profit, but I never closed partials, so I sort of came back break even. Yeah, this move right here. Yeah, so I got in this move around these areas, but we rejected off of here, came down and grabbed liquidity, and yeah, I got taken out break even at this point, and then straight to TPs, right? But it is what it is. All right, let's give me 1 second, chat. I think yeah, I'm hoping the music isn't too loud. I hope you guys can hear me. Let me see. Let me just do a little. Let's reduce it a little bit. Better too low than too loud. Apologies if the stream is a bit laggy today. I don't know, my internet is acting up. Even though I'm in the motherland, you know, in the land of not in the motherland, in the land of milk and honey. But nah, let's get into the charts here. Let's get into the charts. So today is a Friday. So before I used to think that meant something, but I've quickly learned that it really doesn't matter. If the markets are gonna give you a move, they're gonna give you a move, right? But psychology wise, you don't want to, you know, take anything too risky on Friday, because then you're going into the weekend and then you're just gonna spend the whole weekend thinking about that trade you took on a Friday, you know. So yeah, psychology wise, you want to be a bit more, I'd say a bit more picky, you know, a bit more selective in your entries. My brother, welcome, brother. Welcome. All right, so let's get into the charts real quick. So monthly, straightforward, right? Remember yesterday I was saying I wasn't really expecting price to, given the rejection that we had, right, from these levels, I wasn't really expecting price to push back into this range. But hey, price proved me wrong, man. Price proved me wrong. We're back at it. We're back right into this range. If what I think will happen here, well, this is the monthly, right? So it was more on the weekly, but the monthly is bullish, right? So on the weekly, right, exactly, so this range right here, I didn't think price would push into this range right here, right? Yeah, it was pretty surprising. It's pretty surprising. I didn't think price would return back into this range before the end of the week, but now we're in here. if price acts the way I know it usually does, I'd say it'll probably come back down. All right, we'll probably see some rejection here, and we'll probably close somewhere inside this range, right? So respecting this level over here, but we're in a very bullish market right now, and when GJ wants to run, my brother, GJ runs. Trust me. So bullish, it's, I mean, pretty straightforward analysis on the higher time frames, right? We're bullish on the monthly, bullish on the weekly, bullish on the daily as well. The daily closed, I mean, it's the same daily from well, not from New York, but I guess from London. I traded a bit of London as well, so that's why you have my my levels updated here. Yeah, so now I got some GJ buys earlier. Like I'll show you where I got them in a bit. But yeah, higher time frames were bullish. The daily close, this range is actually a okay, it is a daily range. Yeah, so the daily closed above, just barely above this, above range. Not convincingly above, but still. All right, so I'd say, so your range is there. Let me see if that actually cleared it or not, or if it's at resistance. Yeah, so I'd say price closed more at resistance. I mean, just barely above, but still. But still, we're looking for bullish, right? We're still looking for the bullish momentum, the bullish move up. So yeah, so that's what I'm, yeah, I'll unmute you in a sec, bro. I just want to go through the analysis real quick. So again, my 4 hour, right? My 4 hour, I don't really have any levels that I can look to on the 4 hour, just because I don't have candles that go back that far. But I do have these levels on the daily that I've marked up, and this is what I'm basically gonna use as my targets, right? My target points, right? You see price came into my first target already, right? I had buys going into these targets, but I got taken out on the pullback, right? I got taken out break even on the pullback. So it is what it is. But now I'm looking for price to maybe create some structure around these ranges, right, before we tap into this level, and hopefully I'll be able to get an entry moving up. So yeah, pretty much that on the 4 hour. On the hourly, so on the hourly, let me see my levels. On the hourly, now we've come here, right? We've created a bit of structure here in terms of areas where we can see some money, right? Some liquidity, right? So we have a bit of structure formed here. Our next level based on the daily, right, would be around here, right? So now we see we closed above and we tested this level, and we're currently holding this level as support, right? So we're gonna look to see if we can get some entries going up, right? Whether we're gonna come back down deeper and grab some liquidity before we move up is yet to be seen, but we'll make that decision as we go here. So now we want to go 30-minute, right? So 30-minute, you can see it a lot clearer that we're holding support here, right? We're holding support now, and I think this now has held as resistance as well, right? Because we have one candle closing like that, second candle closing bearish, and this candle, well, it never tapped in. So this isn't really support yet, right? Until this bullish candle closes respecting, then I would say this is resistance, or not support, resistance, right? Then I would say this is a good level to consider as a resistance. Yeah, so now you have I would say you have money, or you came down, you didn't quite grab this liquidity over here, you didn't quite grab it, but you did tap into those areas, right? You did tap into the areas, so I would still consider that as taken. So I would say you have, liquidity wise, you have some money to be taken over here. I'd say, yeah, over there and over here. So these are your main areas of rejection, right? So if we ever if we ever get some moves coming down, I mean, it's very unlikely I'll be part of those. Like just like yesterday, I mean, it is what it is, right? We might miss the moves, but it is what it is. All right, no P, man. Safe. Let me see. Here, yeah, well, I mean, yeah, I'm struggling to sort of decide on. Yeah, I'll just use the hourly instead, actually. Right? Yeah, these would be my levels in terms of liquidity. Yeah, I'll just use these levels. Yeah, that's calm. So yeah, these are my current levels right now. These are my current levels. I want to see how price reacts here. Hopefully the 30 closes respecting this, just so that this becomes a resistance as well. So when we break above, right, that's I mean, that's a breakout, right? So at that point we can look for the pullback and then the drive up. Worst thing that can happen here, well, not worst thing, but what I don't really want to, what would be annoying to happen here is if we just drive right now on this candle and tap into this area, right? Because then at that point we probably start seeing I don't want to say consolidation, but the move isn't going to be as clear. The clearest moves right now are buys, right? So anything that's not setting up buys, yeah, you know, it's a long day with that one, right? It's a long day with that one. Yeah, so you have, yeah, and actually I'm gonna just put this, yeah, I'll just put this down here. What is this? Is that an hourly as well or no? Yeah, no. So yeah, I'll just put this down here. I'll put that down there, and I'll recognize that we have that. Yeah, so these are our levels. If we close below here, high chance we're gonna tap into this area, right? Right? I mean, we might just drive straight through and tap into the area, right? But if we close below this level, it's very likely we're gonna tap into this area, and then from there, price is either gonna keep on going down to grab more of this money, or we're gonna shoot up, right? We're gonna start our bullish move back up, and that is what I am interested in. I am interested in the bullish move. In terms of what I took yesterday, I had two good entries actually. I had a good entry on GJ and a good entry on gold as well. The gold sells, I mean, I thought they would run a lot more than they did yesterday anyways. Not Asian session, I think gold ran a little bit. Yeah, gold ran a little bit during Asian session, but I think this was yesterday, right? Yeah, I think my sales, yeah, right here. Not one, no, hell no, not one, like 11, like 10, 11. I think I took, yeah, around these areas I took some sales. I thought they would run, to be honest. I thought we would have that clean breakout right here and just keep on going, but we came back into the range. I closed some profits on that. Not ideal, not as much as I would have liked, but hey, we take what the market gives us, right? In terms of GJ, bro, I'm telling you, I've been in so this was from yesterday, right? I don't know if you remember yesterday, but I sort of called this, right? And I'm not saying that just like oh yeah, I knew this would happen, but I'm just saying, like, I called that once we had a break above these areas, right, we most likely would see price do this, right? We most likely would see price shoot up into the money, which was right here, right? Because if you remember yesterday, we had a bunch of points, we had a bunch of liquidity points coming down. That price took all of that, right? Price took every single liquidity point coming back down, right? And while it was doing that, it made this little formation over here, right? Oh no, this was there before. Yeah, this was there even before our session started, right? This was in there before our session started. right? So price took all the liquidity points coming back down. So right here and right here, we grab all this liquidity here, all this liquidity here. We never touched into this liquidity up here, right? So then at that point, what I was saying yesterday was, even if price is preparing to start dropping, we're gonna see some liquidity taken out to the top side, right? And at that point, at the point that we took this right here, at the point that we took this, I had these as targets. I had these highs as targets, because now we have a lot of money sitting above there, right? Now we have a lot of money sitting above there. And basically the call I made yesterday was that when we broke above these areas right here, right, where we would see a break, a retest of the area, and then I would take the buys up. As you can see, we never retested the area, so I never got the entries over here, right? So it is what it is, but valid, it was a valid outlook, right? Valid outlook on the charts. I got some buys somewhere within this mess. Decent, it was decent buys. During London, I had a buy somewhere here. What is this? What time is this? No, not 5, like 3 o'clock or something like that. Yeah, I think I had buys around 3 o'clock or so. So before this move up, right? So around here, right? So I was basically involved in this little tug of war that went on over here. Yeah, unfortunately, but you know, you don't sweat it, because the markets are never short on positions to give, man. There are always gonna be positions. If not today, they're gonna be positions tomorrow or next week. Am I live right now? Hello. Let me see, is this even live right now? One second, chat. I'm just making sure the stream is live. Okay, yeah, we're good. We good. The display was bugging for a second. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at on gold, or on GJ, right? So let's move into gold. Goldy. Wow. Yeah, all that talking, and gold was just moving. Yeah, I mean, let's see what's going on. So monthly, again, high chance we could start seeing the flip, right? We could see this monthly flip and start making its way up to close above the range, right? We have 7 days, right? 6 days or so, about 4 trading days in the monthly, right? Yeah, about 4 trading days left, or 5, right? Because that's gonna be 4 or 5. How many days are in February? I don't know. I think 4. Yeah, like 4 trading days left after today, which is most of next week. So if we see this next week candle come up and close above here, we could just continue driving up, right? We could just drive up for a whole of next week, right? So weekly looking bullish right now, right? I think if we were gonna reject, we would have rejected a long time ago, right? Because we already took these highs. I think we took these highs on Tuesday, like early in the week we took these highs. So I think we would have rejected by now. And another, yeah, and again, this level usually, if we're gonna drive off this level, like after 2 bullish taps of this level, like just based on what we've seen in the past, right? 1, 2, we usually just drive, right? But now we had 1, 2, but then we respected, right? We didn't drive. We closed bearish back into the range, but we still respected this support right here. Now we tapped into that support and we took these highs and we're flipping back bullish. So now I'm thinking we're ready to push, right? You had the 4 hour sort of fake out of this. Yeah, fake out. Well, it's not quite a fake out, because I mean this candle formed bearish as well, so it's not really a fake out. It's not really a fake out, but you have price coming rejecting off of this level, this 4-hour level. It's a good level as well. Yeah, man. Yeah, you could see some push here, some pushing going on over here. Yeah, look at that 4-hour, man. Look at that 4-hour candle. That's about how many pips? Yeah, that's 100 and something, 110 pips. Yeah, tough. So we're bullish. I mean, we are bullish for sure. We are bullish for sure. Let me see. I like that level. Yes, I like that level. Let's say range 2s over here. Yeah, range 2s. I don't know. Gold ranges are always nice, right? They're always very clean, but the way the gold, the movement is always well, not always, but the movement never matches the range, like how clean the range is, right? Like gold, I mean, it does do this from time to time, not around these times, but I'm surprised it did this, to be honest. Yeah, I'm surprised it did this, to be honest. This might be the move for the day, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, man, this might be the move. It looks like I guess pre-New York, or maybe some leftover volume from London. It's pushing the market right now because there's no news later, right? Yeah, no news. We're pushing right now. I'm not gonna lie, we might just start ranging here, man. This might be the move for the day. Actually, I mean, I can't say that for sure, actually. Yeah, no, I can't say that for sure because, I mean, COMEX Open hasn't happened yet, you know? We still have 820, or yeah, 820. We still have 820. We still have, well, we still have 8 o'clock. We still have 820. We still have 9:30 as well, right? So those are all key times, right? Key volume time. So you can still look for price to continue this move at those times. Let me see. Move this. Move it. I like to move it. Yeah, I mean, this is a shout. If you caught this, GG's, nice. You can start your Friday early. For all my people that caught this, have a good weekend, man. Have a good weekend. Close the laptop, go kiss your baby on the forehead, man. You're done for the week. Let the runners run. You know what I mean? Yeah. Nice little 30, 27. Nice little 30-ish pips. I would never have taken this, even if I saw it. Even if I was on this chart, I would not have taken it. Or maybe I would. Maybe. Let me see the 5. I don't really use the 1 minute. I just want to see how it looks. 15, 30. No. Good push. I'm not sure if I would have taken it, man. I'm not sure. Would have had to have. It's hard to tell when the move has already happened. Then we had this 15 close, no bottom wick. So I would have probably waited for the break of the bottom wick before I got in. So this would have left without me regardless, no? I don't know. Wow, we still pushing here. Yeah, all this pushing right now. Yeah, we might do some selling when market opens, man. We'll see though. We'll see. We might continue the trend or, come back for some pullback. Yeah, so this is nice. This is gonna hold, right? This tapped into this level and held, right? So this is good. This is good right now. This is decent right now. If we hold this resistance or this support as well, this is the daily. This is the daily. I got you out of mixtape. If you're reading this, it's too late. Yeah, good close on GJ. Looks like a good close on gold as well, to be honest. Can we get buys right here? Let me see. Can I get buys right here? I know I'm ignoring sort of this right here, but we're looking at recent support though. Will be right there. I got tapped into twice. This one too is like all the way up there. 30 is gonna close below, I think. So we close right at the level. Right at the level. Shit closed. Yeah, shit closed. No entries here, but if you had positions, shit, I'd say as soon as this candle flips, put your stop loss to the bottom of this wick. Either that or as soon as we take the highs. Either or. And then go home, or you're already home probably, and then go outside. Go touch some earth. Go touch some dirt. Go touch some dirt. Let's see what Bitcoin doing. Bitcoin doing nothing. Yeah, hell nah. You see, Bitcoin think it's slick, man. They really think it's slick. Just trying to kill people. You're just trying to kill people, bro. Look at this fake out. I guarantee you some people got in on the sells right here. That's why I was waiting for a pullback. I was waiting for a pullback to take these highs. I swear down, fam. We're coming. We're gonna sell right now. We are going to sell. It's just a matter of when. It's just a matter of when. What I would like to see happen right now, and matter of fact, I'll clip this. What I like to see happen is so I want to see Bitcoin go up here, right? Take these highs, take out these highs on the 4 hour, right? And then come down and close below, tap this level, flip, and at that point we're down, bro. Trust me. Like, just off of price action, and I understand it's Bitcoin, right? So you can't just go off of price action, but just off of price action, this is what we're looking at. This would be some fuego entries right here. Trust me. How many pips is this? 145 pips? Shit, say less. Say less. Right? Stops at the top of these at the top right here. If you're flipping with it, especially if you're flipping with it, you're taking swings, say like that, 157, 142. Not a 1-1, but still decent. If you've got the money to risk. Yeah, there you go. GJ, can you do something for me? So now we're gonna be closing below this consolidation on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute. on the 5 minute, doing it for my family, pulling out. Now I'm here, I got my minute, come and vibe with it, come and vibe with it. I eat my food, yeah, coming down with me, yeah. Said coming down with me, yeah, 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 yeah. Slack life, you know I'm pushing that life, Hey, all right, let's see. Okay, so now we're taking money. It's all about the money. Mm-hmm. 5 as well. Yep, there you go. Go ahead and take that. Take that. All right, we're grabbing some money over here. Got money at these lows right here. If we do exactly what we did yesterday, then we should expect 190.65 to get tapped into. If we do exactly what we did yesterday. This is the new hourly as well, right? We took these lows. Let me see. You know what? Yeah. No news. Let me tell you something. 15, 5, 15 plus 5 close bullet bearish. Close bearish as well. Oh, yeah, below those lows is nice. So higher, let me see. Can we start flipping here? Can we start flipping? If we tap right into this level that I drew up, right? We tap straight into the money right here. Actually, just adjust that a little bit. Yeah, we tap straight into the money right here. We flip on the same 15 candle. I'll be in. Yeah, I'm gonna have some stops, some buy stops. I'm gonna have some buy stops. Cause why come down here, come up here? If this is a push to grab the money, we're not gonna flip right now. We're gonna pull back a lot. Like if we're sorry. Whoa, okay. Yeah, I like this. We're grabbing all that money, right? Next area would be below there. What does that look like on the 15th as well? Money, but we actually broke that. But on the 5 came up. Yeah, next area for the rejection would be down here. This would be the next area for the rejection. But if we start coming up here, we're probably not gonna see this get tapped into. We're most likely not gonna see that get tapped into. All right, and that being the case, I'm gonna have my oh, that's gonna be a 4-hour. Where is the 4-hour flip? Let me see. Does that coincide with any levels? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. So 5, we already came down here, so now it gets pushed back. Okay, interesting. This came down heavy too. And that would be the flip there. That would be the flip and gone. Yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops. At the break of these highs, but we need to be activated before the 15 close. But if the 15 closes bearish like this, we could just come up, tap into our entry, or tap into our stops, and then continue going back down, right? So, sorry, 1 second. Yeah, so I'm gonna have some buy stops. Let me see. Yes, this is a 4-hour flip as well, right? So yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops right there. 5.8. I have to get one of those pip counter indicators, man. Right now I'm using a calculator. I'm not even gonna lie, to size my positions. It's pretty dumb, to be honest, but hey, we cavemen out here. We cavemen in it. Okay, 200. See, cool, 30. Okay. Yeah, and if you don't understand my reasoning behind the trade, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. 6. The buy stop. So I have my buy stop set. Yeah, so I have my buy stop set. I'm my buy stop set at 191.025. Because if we flip on this 15, well, now we just tapped into the liquidity, right? We just tapped into liquidity. If we flip on the 15, right, that's the, yeah, if we flip on the 15, that's the hourly flip as well, right? That's the new hourly flip as well, after taking these lows and tapping into liquidity on the lower time frame, right? And this, the previous hourly candles held support, right? Formed support and held support, and this support right here, this is a daily support, because these levels are drawn off of the daily, right? This is a daily support. So if we flip here, minimum we have, what is this, how many pips is this? We have, yeah, we have a wick fill of 11 pips, around 11 pips, and we could continue running here to our next TP, right? Yeah, man. Yeah, so if it plays out, it'll be pretty decent. We should see, it should happen quick. If this plays out, if this starts to flip here, especially with only 5 minutes left, if it starts to flip here, this is gonna happen quick. It's gonna happen very quick, very, very quick. If this if this moves, if this setup coincided with the New York Open at 9:30, most likely you would have seen a lot more volume right now. You would have seen this move play out a lot faster, if it was gonna play out. But even now, if it's gonna play out, it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be quick. 15.5. Yeah, so now you start to have the 5 closing bearish below this level as well. So we might just be pulling back down for some more, for more liquidity before we're ready to start coming up. I don't have any sells going down from here, but below here I have some sells, right? So if we get the 30 closing below here, I'll look for some sells down into these levels, probably close full here or majority, and then we'll see what happens from there. See what happens from there. We sort of teased grabbing this money right here, but we didn't really grab it, I wouldn't say, because you still have people with stops below here that were saved. They probably feel very comfortable now that we rejected off of here, probably moved their stops to around these areas. So yeah, we got some hunting to do over there as well. All right, so we're waiting. So last minute of the 15, we're gonna close stops. We're gonna close the stops around the last minute mark. just to avoid any tomfoolery, any shenanigans. Yeah, so right there I'm gonna close the entry, or the stops, the orders. I'm gonna close the order and wait. It looks like we're gonna come down for more liquidity. We're gonna come down to grab more liquidity here. You have the minute forming as well. Can you capitalize on this? This is something I'm not back testing per se, but this is something I'm looking to maybe start back testing, like the basically the pullbacks, the liquidity, getting in on the liquidity grabs, right, on the way down or on the way up, right? Right, because now 15 close, right? So now 15 close below here. This would technically be my range 1 fake out, right? So yeah, trying to get the liquidity, getting in on the liquidity grab after a range 1, potential range 1 fake out, right? So I understand that my general direction is bullish, right? So, and the closure below here, this is my range 1, right? So these sells I would never take, right? I would never take these sells off of the idea of this being a breakout, right? But if this coincides with liquidity grab and there's another level of potential liquidity grab and we get the formation on the 1 minute, the formation we usually take our normal trades on the 1 minute, right? So a break of this consolidation now, and then a retest straight into the next area for money, the next money area, which I would say is I mean, on the 1 minute it's here, but let's see on the 5. The only reason I'm not considering this on the 5 technically is because, I mean, we formed this, but then we broke it, right? We broke it and came down here. So this really is what I would be looking at, right? So yeah, we'll see. We will see if that forms. This can be a live back test. Live back test. I won't take it, but we could see if it actually plays out. What's gold saying? I'll make a prediction right now. Gold ain't saying nothing. It's literally hovering at the resistance it closed on. Okay, prove me wrong, gold. Prove me wrong. Okay, nice. We're pushing here. 15 closed bullish as well, huh? Oh, we might, bro. I'm tempted, bro. Yeah, we need a 30 close, man. 15. Good things are happening on gold. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. 4 hours, let's see, 4 hours is driving up. What is these? Why are those starring? These are those starring, yeah. That's crazy. Okay. Things are just starring here. Let me see. $30, $15. Yeah, you don't want to rush into the buys here, man. You don't want to rush into the buys, because the buys are a good shout, but you want to wait for good entries, man. You don't want to rush into the buys. You don't want to rush into the buys, but you want to go to Dubai, you know? You don't want to rush into the buys so you don't lose money and put your trip to Dubai in jeopardy. Bro, I'm nice with it still. Yeah, today should be a good day, guys. Today should be a good day, regardless. Oh, Hey, I have to update the current profits. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm still really far away from the goal, no cap, but slow and steady, man. As long as I finish in profit, it's a W. We live to fight another day. I told you guys there's gonna be a pullback here. This is looking like a fake out right now, but trust me, this ain't a fake out. Trust me. Oh no, it's looking like a yeah, it is a fake out. Yeah, it is a fake out. Y'all thought we were going down, but hell nah, we coming back up. We breaking structure right here. How much is this? How much do I have? 90 something, 98. Bro, I was pushing like, I don't even want to say what I was pushing. Y'all will crucify me, man. I was pushing like 200. I'm not gonna lie. I was pushing like 200 off the trade, like floating profit. Like, nah, I'm lying. I didn't lie. What the hell? Oh, okay. Win rate, loss rate. So my win rate is what it should be, right? So this is what I expect it to be, minimum. But average winning trade 10, average losing trade 18. Really? We gotta change those numbers, man. Oh, you know why that is? It's really off of one trade. I'm not even gonna lie. It's off of this trade right here. Where is this? It's off of where is that? I had minus 60 on something. I forget. This right here is off of this trade, man. Yeah, this trade was an L in all types of ways, man. I shouldn't even have been in the trade. Alright, no, I should have been in the trade, but I should have closed a lot earlier. I should have closed this at like minus 10. Just based off of my strategy here, but I was so sure price would move my way, bro. I was so sure. You live and you learn. You learn and you live. Okay, this is interesting. We closed above. Can I even consider this the consolidation? Because we never even tested. Well, I guess we did. All right, boom. Yeah. This 30-minute is gonna be key. 30-minute closure is gonna be key. Because don't forget, the 15-minute is technically bearish right now. Structure wise, we're bearish because we broke support. Right, we broke support, and this 15 is currently, this could just be a top wick. Right, if we flip here and then we close below here on the 30, I'll wait for a pullback. To be honest, I don't even know if I'll wait for a pullback. The only issue with taking that sell is that the hourly is still open, right? But I'm not anticipating price to drive down. I'm just anticipating liquidity grab. Because why would we close below here? Why would we have held this support and then not taking these highs just to close below here on like the 30 on the intermediary? Is that, yeah, intermediary time frame to not grab this money, right? It doesn't make sense to me. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. But if this 30 closes, flips bullish as well, I'll be happy with that as well. To be honest, you could still have your buy stops here. You could. The only issue is your 15. Like if you're isolating the 30, if you're isolating this just to the 30 looks good. The hourly looks good for the flip to drive, right? The hourly looks good, 30 looks good. The only issue is this 15, right? You want this 15 to close bullish, so you want this to be a fake out. And to be honest, if you have a fake out here, usually I look for the fake out on the 15 and on the 30. But if you have a fake out, and if I like the consolidation on the minute, and we have exactly, and I mean exactly, our move, very possible. If we respect this level right here, oh, okay, a new challenger has entered the building. A new challenger for a position appears. Let's see how we close it in this minute. Do we respect or not? We respect, we reject actually. Okay, this is interesting right here. This is very interesting, guys. Let me tell you, you could see price. Let me tell you, wait, hello. Oh, I didn't even stop recording. You could see price skyrocket right now. Like, I'm talking movement, no waiting around. You could see price skyrocket right now. But let me break down what just happened on the minute. The minute came down, grabbed liquidity, created this little consolidation here, broke back above the consolidation. Now we're holding this level, and this level is where we drove off of previously, right? This is where we drove off of previously. Now we retested the level. We're retesting the level, pulling deeper into the level. SMA is moving up. I might get into this, I'm not gonna lie. You know what, chat? If this minute flips, I'll be in there for partial risk. Let me see the 15. Yeah, but I don't like the 15, I'm not gonna lie. 5 minute, 5, okay, 5 minute, but if this 5, yeah, chat, if this minute flips, which is the 5 flip as well, I'll be in. If this, but I need to get ready. Hello. 1, I highly doubt it's gonna happen, so that's the only reason I'm saying it now, because I highly doubt it's gonna happen. But if the 15, if the minute flips, I mean, oh wow, oh, I should be in that. I should be in there. Oh, hold on, let's see if I can. I'm not in there yet, chat, but I do want to get in there. Let me see if I can hustle. Let me see. Yeah, I'm slacking. 7. Yeah, if it moves away from there, I'm not gonna take none. It's gonna be a quick one, and I'm gonna risk I'm gonna risk a quarter of full risk. I'm gonna risk a quarter. So that's the minute now. So what does it look like now? Okay, so if we break back these highs, if we break those highs again, the 5 minute highs again, I'm gonna buy. Let me see. What's that? 190.92. Buy stop. 190.92. Actually, you don't want to have a buy stop. Yeah, you want to enter manually, because you might get spreads might get you in. Okay, I'm in there. This is gonna be a quick one to manage. It's gonna be quick management, very quick management. If we close even once, back below here, back into this range, you close the trade immediately. So it's gonna be very quick. So you have to pay attention. And if you don't understand quite my reasoning for the trade, I'll go over it again in a little bit. It's definitely a I wouldn't say impulse entry, but you could wait for some more confluence before taking this trade. Definitely. There is more confluence that you could wait for. And that, I mean, the confluence would be the 15 close, right? And that's closing in a little bit, right? So you either pick one, right? You wait for the 15 close, right? Get more confluence, or the 15 close and the 30 close as well. So this 30 close is gonna, I mean, the 30 is gonna close bearish. Oh, that's true. That's true. Okay, let's see what happens here, though. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Because if it's very possible, this could be that the 30 has tapped into, you know, the area, so the money. We already tapped into the money, so the 30 now is just rejecting up, right? We could see the next candle have no bottom wick and just go up, right? Or we could close bearish and just continue pulling back down for deeper rejection, right? Or deeper pullback, right? Very possible as well. But let's see how this minute closes, which is also the 15 close and the 30 close, right? If we close back into this range, I'm gonna close immediately. If we close back in the range, I will close immediately, because then the entry is scuffed, right? Then we wait for higher time frame closers to possibly get our move going up. Okay, so we closed bullish, right? We closed bullish. I understand we're opening with no bottom wick. Okay, now we have a bottom wick. What's gonna happen now? Are we just gonna see price drive? Make sure you have your stop loss in place. Make sure you have your stop loss in place. This is not one you want to keep open, because whatever price is gonna do here, it's gonna do it fast. Yeah, I got my stops in place. Yeah, so whatever price is gonna do, it's gonna do it fast. And it looks like we're gonna pull back for more. We're gonna go for more pullbacks here. 3, 2, 1. How is price gonna open? Yeah, close that. Yeah, we're out of that trade. Yeah, we're out of the trade right now. We're most likely, very likely, gonna see more drawdown here, right? We're very likely gonna see more drawdown here. Very likely gonna see more drawdown, right? But we closed like I believe minus 1 pip. Yeah, I think it was like -1, -2 pips. Let me see. Let me see. Yes, 215. Yeah, it's about -3 pips. -3 pips. Yeah, so the trade idea becomes invalid, right? We could continue going up here, we really could, but the trade idea becomes invalid, right? Like I was saying, we created a consolidation, we've grabbed liquidity, we closed above, we retested these levels, we held support, right? I mean, yeah, so everything was in our favor in terms of the lower time frame, but this is why I guess that the higher time frame is always important, right? Because technically you closed below and you held this resistance, or this level held as support or as resistance, right? So you could start seeing a lot more sells here, a lot more sells, which is why you should I mean, it's a good trade for how I took it, right? That's why I only risked a quarter of my usual position, right? I didn't risk full, I didn't even risk half, I only risked a quarter. Because if we're saying in terms of setups, that would have been a maybe a mid-tier setup, not even a mid-tier, a low-tier setup, but it's still a setup, a valid setup. It's still a valid setup, but a low-tier setup, right? Because you have all these confluences, right? But your entry on the lower time frame isn't quite lined up with what is going on the higher time frame. It's lined up with what could happen on the higher time frame, but not what is currently going on the higher time frame, right? So yeah. But nah, it was the analysis, the general analysis was good. The general analysis was good. So it's not like we took anything that, you know, we wouldn't have taken normally, right? It's not, we didn't FOMO into a position. Trust me. We did not FOMO into a position. That is a setup, just not the best setup, right? And why would you not take the best setup? Sometimes you have to weigh the balance, right? Of what do I have to lose and what do I have to gain, right? But you can't do that with gambles, right? It's very easy to be like, okay, what do I have to lose if I sell? If I just sell, just off of nothing, if I just sell, right? So if I'm risking $20 off just a random sell to make $100 off the same random sell, right? That doesn't make sense, right? But if I'm seeing a position, but it's not the best position, but I know it's a position that makes sense and it has worked out in the past, then it's like, okay, how much am I willing to risk here, and what do I stand to gain? Because if we pushed from there, if that was the push, minimum we're seeing 10 pips. Wait, no, actually no. Let me see. I was like around here. So minimum we're seeing 7 pips, right? Minimum we're seeing 7 pips, and if we continue pushing above there, yeah, we're driving all the way up. Driving all the way up. So yeah. I'm gonna, well, going forward, I'll say how much I'm risking a lot earlier. I'll state how much I'm risking a lot earlier, just so nobody takes the trade as though it's a you know, an A+ setup. Let me see. Stream record. Stream record. Man, I can't wait to go on a win streak, man. It'll be tough. It'll be tough. Good thing I didn't even change all that. I did change it. Damn it. Now we got a little bit of consolidation on the profit charts. Damn it. God damn it. Let me see, where is that at? Profit. Well, I'll keep the profit where it's at right now, you know. We're not done with the day. Okay, so 30 minutes. Let me see what gold's doing. Tell me gold did something. Yeah, I figured 30. Okay, GJ. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna look into how I can capitalize off these pullbacks, off these liquidity grabs, right? Because it's something I've seen a lot. So there has to be a way to capitalize off of it that makes sense for me. All right, so if we're talking just areas, right? You could probably have some orders down here as well. So now we're tapping into that level. We closed below, so this is expected, right? We closed below, this is expected. 15, 30. What the 30 saying? Yeah, 30 still bearish. 15 hourly, that's the 4-hour flipping. This is exactly how we looked like yesterday, bro. Exactly what we looked like yesterday. So we just gotta wait here. Tap into the levels. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we can do. Oh, I'm still recording. I gotta remember to stop recording. Yeah, give me a good beat, man. Give me a good beat. Trying to hit a verse real quick. For Ronaldinho, bro. You know what I think? Yeah, tough. I think there's some people in life that just like they figured out exactly what it is they wanted to do from a very young age. Like exactly what, like almost in a mystical sense, like not just in terms of like, oh, you just say some random shit, right? Like, I want to be XYZ, right? Maybe because I don't know, you have a family that's doing that, or the person you look up to is doing that, or you know what I'm saying? Like, you have a reason behind, you know, why you picked that exact thing, right? But I think there's some people that is just like, they just called, you know, it's a calling. You know, it's not a profession to them, it's a call. It's almost like with pastors, you know, like it's a calling, man. It's like divine, you know, and it shows in the way they carry on, you know, post peak. Like once they've hit their peak, it shows in the way the ones that, you know, that, oh, they just did this for the accolades or the money or whatever. They don't age well. They don't age like fine wine within the space which they, you know, gain the notoriety. Like someone like Ronaldinho, bro, that man is like, dude is just happy playing football, bro. Like any video I see of this dude kicking a ball or that's involving the football, bro, he's smiling from ear to ear, man. Like he just loves this shit. He just loves this shit. That's all we can hope for, man. That's all we can hope for. You find something you love and you do it. That's why I'm gonna be in the NBA, nigga. You know what I mean? That's why I'm gonna be in the NBA. Yeah. Don't be kind of with this. Hey, come on. Yeah, back in the day, man. Yeah, and the Nigerian national team was a force. We're still a force, but I mean, we were an international force, man. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. See game, man. See goal. See ball. See ball, man. Crazy. My fault, chat. I'm watching some Super Eagles highlights. Beautiful tap into this level, right? That's what, if your friend ever says Forex is gambling or it's random, show them this video, man. Just show them this video, bro. Not the part where I lost, but like, you know, the analysis, bro. Is on the dime. It turned on the dime, bro. Probably still gonna see more sales here, to be honest with you. Let's see how this 30 closes. I mean, 30 closing like this, hourly closing like this as well. Come on, bro. It's wraps. We're at the least, we're seeing this to get tapped. At the least. And I am willing to look like a fool, you know what I mean? I'm willing to look like an idiot, you know, getting losses on both sides of the market if I get a good setup. I'm willing to do that for you guys. So you know what? Like and subscribe. You know what I mean? Like and subscribe to your boy. Like and subscribe. Yeah. Peak viewers right now at 0. Saying that. Hey. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Things are happening now. Let's see. Let's see. I've been gold doing nothing. For sure. For sure. For sure. It's a Friday, so 9 o'clock, 9:30. I'm trying to be out by 9:30. I stayed here a while yesterday. I think I stayed here till 10 or so yesterday, man. I'm not trying to stay here till 10 again. Not trying to stay here till 10 again. Let me see the... Okay, no. That doesn't matter. We waiting here. We waiting. What's Bitcoin doing? Nothing. I hope I recorded my analysis for Bitcoin. That would be a good one to play. That would be a video right there, trust me. That would be a video right there. Hey, I about to rap real quick. Rap break. Hey, rap break. That's too slow for a rap break. Rap break. Did you know about the muffin plan? The muffin plan, yeah, the muffin plan. I put it in the cake. What? Hold up, pause. Wait. What? What does that mean? I put it in the cake. What does that mean? What does that mean? Chill out. Alright, calm down. There's a bearish motion. Yeah, I do not show emotion. Yeah, I'm out here playing PlayStation. Yeah, hey, playing PlayStation. Yeah, I'm doing for the nation. Yeah, I'm doing for the station. Yeah, I'm an inspiration. Yeah, hey, inspiration. That's what I'm trying to be. Yeah, got this cattle forming bullets, but I'm not trying to see. Yeah. Yeah, if this 15 pushes up, no bottom weight, closes bullish above, which is the flip on the hourly, I'm buying off rip. I'm gonna lie to you. I'm buying off rip. Off the immediate candle closure. Oh, did my video get copyrighted? Let me see. I played I mean, what are they even gonna copyright though? Like, I'm not making no money. How y'all gonna copyright a nigga not making any money? Off of YouTube, I mean. Oh, that's tough. Oh, man got it. Yo, they be choosing, man. I swear to God, they be choosing. Just watch the video of a dude getting. I can't even say it, man. It's too painful, dog. Got his girl taken right from him, bro. Tough. All these musicians, they don't get joy at all. The way they do it, they feel. They don't care the repercussion. I don't say people get all these babes waiting now they bring up stage, they get husband. Get husband when they watch them. When I try to calm down, I beg. Yeah, that John got copyright. Where was my I'm noticing I'm getting the most views on the streams where I actually make money. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. I might be playing some well, I'm not gonna stream those, but you know, once we get a nice little audience going, you know, might do some fry, some weekend, you know, weekend things, maybe back test and chill. Actually, no, definitely not back test and chill. Scrap that. I don't know. I'm spending my Saturday back testing and chilling with y'all niggas. Bunch of random niggas. Psych. Okay, so we're definitely not getting any positions before the hourly close, which is the 4-hour close as well. So what's gold doing? What's gold doing? Gold closing below the below the range, huh? Interesting, huh? Let's see what gold gonna do. What it's gonna do when it comes for you. Yeah, if I spit a quick quick 9, you know, this kind of might close bullish. Let me see what I'm going. Let's see. Copyright free trap music. $30 flipping, bro. 30 flipping, bro. Nothing. I'm not in just yet, but I like this 30 no bottom wick after rejection into these levels. 30 flipping though. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Ooh, I like it a lot. No positions just yet. Again, I have positions, right? There are positions I can take here before the hourly close, but are they the best positions? No, they're not, right? Because they're speaking to things that are very likely gonna happen and not things that are currently happening, right? So you wanna wait on that. What just happened? Oh my goodness. Did I close the... Oh, I'm retarded. Oh, my fault, chat. Holla, chat. Holla up, chat. My fault. I got y'all right now. Chat. One last time. There you go, chat. My fault. Oh, damn. I got my full government right here. My fault, chat. Man like Don is live. There you go. We back at it. Let me just get back on my my windows here. Let's see, funded. There you go. Oh yeah, so we pushing here. pushing, bro. This is candle work right here. This is, I'm gonna, during the weekend, I'm gonna really go into the playbook, because there's something I've been looking at that yeah, no, yeah, I'll keep y'all posted. I'll keep y'all posted. What's going on, man? Oh, okay. Weird. I don't even know what I pressed. How did I close all the windows? Man, this is gonna be bugging sometimes. It's gonna be bugging sometimes. All right, let's help gold a little bit. Let's help gold a little bit. Come on. Hey. Come on. Hey. Hey. Not gold, GJ. Talking about. Hey. Talking about what we talking about. Hey. Talking about. Hey. Talking about what we. Hey. Come on. Talking about what we talking about on the charts. Yeah. You know I'm driving carts. Yeah. Pull up in the mark. Yeah. 50 on the dart. Yeah. 50 on the dashboard. Yeah. Pulling up like a. Yeah. Pulling up like a board. Yeah. 0 scoreboard. When I do it. Yeah. No, I do it. I'm not feeling the beat, man. I'm telling you, I'm not feeling the beat. Not feeling the beat. I ain't feeling the beat, man. Let me see. It says Bliss. Let me see this one. Damn, this is an hour flip, guys. An hourly flip. Let me tell you, if this hour closes bullish, I'm in off rip. Off of rip. That's a little. This one's a little lo-fi one. A little something slow, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Baby. Come on. Clap your hands if you want to trade. Yeah. Clap your hand if you want to trade. Yeah. Clap your hands if you want to trade. Yeah. Come on. Check me out. Hey. Yeah. Monday to Friday, I'm trading on the charts. Yeah. I'm trying to go far. Trying to make some money for my family. Trying to make some. Yeah. Come on. I said Monday to Friday, I'm on the charts. Trying to go far. But I'm trying to be, I am. Yeah, I'm trying to buy a car. Hey, yeah, I'm talking about GJ. Yeah. Fuck what the haters say. You just trying to make it on your own way. Yeah, till I'm talking about GJ. Yeah. Fuck what the haters say. Yeah, I'm just trying to do it my way. Yeah, fuck what the haters say. Yeah. Hourly close. Come on. Don't sleep. Don't doze off. Gotta keep your finger on the pulse. Yeah. It's a blessing. It ain't no curse. Yeah. You know, I used to rap back in the days, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to brag or nothing, you know what I mean? Little battle rap, you know what I'm saying? Back in the good old days, you know what I mean? Yeah, Yeah, GJ is doing bits right now. It is doing bits. The worst way we could close is like this. This is the worst way we could close. Respecting, oh my God, I'm frustrated. Trust me. Right there, I'm frustrated. Hey. Flip. All right, check me out now. flip it. Yeah, I'm saying flip it. Flip it. Yeah, I'm saying flip it. Come on, flip it. Yeah, I'm saying flip it. Hey, flip it. Come and just, okay. Hey, we flip it. We flip it. We flip it. We flip it. I don't like that, so I'ma skip it. Yeah, I'ma skip it. Yeah, yeah. Macaroni and cheese. I'ma dip it. Yeah. See a way that I like, I tip it. Yeah. Oh, flip it. Flip it. Market. Flip it. Flip it. Hey, flip it. Flip. 1 minute. Flip it. Flip it. Okay, enough of that. Let's get back into the. All right, we got a minute here. We got a minute here. We got a minute. Yeah, this is off rip, guys. But I need to see green. I need to see green. Oh, I really want this to close bullish. Yeah, 26.7. There's no reason to come back. No reason to come back. I'll tell you if I'm in. I'll tell you if I'm in. I'll tell you if I'm in. But keep your calculate everything you need to calculate right now. Keep your finger on the pulse. Okay, making a bottom wick first. Four. I really wanted this to close bullish. I really wanted this to close bullish. We closed respecting, but we didn't close bullish. And if it was bullish, I would have been in off rip. All the way off rip. Damn. Now look at what that looks like on the 30 now. It's not the best looking on the 30, no cap. 4 hour. Okay, so we gotta, the gears are turning. The gears are turning. I'm trying to think. Let's see, 15. All right, we close back above everything. All right, those are not even levels I can look at. But in terms of the 5 though, we close respect. So we've been here before, right? We've been here before. That was full rejections off of that level. Let me see. Not gonna lie, Chad, I don't like the 30. I don't like the 30 closing respecting that level. I'm trying to think. Okay, I have a play. So, man, this could just continue going. Yeah, this could just continue going. Why I wanted the hourly to close bullish, right? Because then if we're closing bullish, we're closing well above this support, right? Or this resistance. Right now, you can argue that this sort of like this support didn't hold, right? You can basically argue now that this didn't hold, right? Because say this is the support right here, we close below, right? We close below. So really, you wanted this to close bullish, and even better, a bullish closure above the previous high right here. So my current play that I'm looking for is a tap into this area. All right, I'm looking for a tap into this area right here. Create a bottom wick on that for that 15. I think the 30 as well. No, not the 30. So just for the 15. My fault. Yeah, create the bottom wick right here. I don't know about a flip, but I'll take a closure. Right? If we tap down there, right, on this same 15, come up here, close right here with a 15, right? I mean that one, it'll be off rip, right? If we close above these highs, right, close above this level, get a little bit of a bottom wick, I'm in there off rip. Then we're aiming for the highs. We're probably gonna close full over here. There's no reason that this is an imaginary level right now on the lower time frame. This right here is a daily, right? And now we're rejecting off of a daily time frame, off of a daily level. So that's strong. That's strong rejection. That's a strong level, right? So we might just continue coming down here and start. If we close below here on the 15, we could look for sales going down to the money over here as well. So pay attention. We have volume in the markets. Yeah, there's no point of this either. Oh, my fault. Hey. Yeah, the rapping did nothing for us. What's that? Is that Bitcoin? I got a signal on Bitcoin. Not a Bitcoin. On GJ, what is this? A minute? Get out of here, man. Get out of here, man. Shit. You don't know nothing. Yeah, we back to the 70s, man. We back to the 70s. Now we looking like oh, how's that looking like? Actually, let me see. How was that looking like? And I can't wait till I have a reason to go into the payout tab. My fault. Okay. I mean, still not lower lows. We might consolidate here a little bit. You know what I mean? Might do a little consolidation. You know what I mean? It's higher lows though. You know, we remaking structure. Higher low, then a higher high. Don't worry about it. Oh my goodness. What did I just put on stream? Bargain. Come on, man. What's going on with the stream? Okay, we back. I'm having some technical difficulties. Some connection difficulties. Wagwan, brother. Wagwan. Yeah, I got you, son. Wagwan, brother.
Yeah, I had to dip temporarily, but I came back and I'm happy because what's it called? The trades I left open, their profits have moved to break even or rather to stop loss to profit, so I'm risk free.
You're a brave man. You just left your trades unattended. That's crazy.
No, I mean, like, my stops and take profits were set, so it's not as if it was naked, like unprotected yet.
Ah, fair enough.
But like,
GJ,
but the Bitcoin sells. I'm still at break even, but I have a tiny bit of confidence in them. But yeah, the trade I'm talking about is S&P 500 and Nas 100. US 30 moved without me. Didn't give me entry, but yeah, something crazy happened to me. Yeah, earlier this morning I wanted to set a trade on all three of them actually, but I kept saying trading on this account is simple. So fear caught me. I was like, did I violate one rule like this? I now tried to go to the Fiverr's website. It was telling me error message as if they blocked me from this country. I was sweating bullets for 20 minutes, but then later, turns out it was just my Wi-Fi. I was like, see, like.
Hey, I got.
So I would have been in a. And not only would I have been in all 3 pairs instead of 2, I would have been in an even better position and I had more profit. Wi-Fi just stay holding people.
Nice one, man. Yeah, Nas is going.
Yeah, I'm in the vibe already.
Going.
But I'm good. I'm still more or less satisfied with the trades, how they're going so far, especially hopefully they hit TP, man.
Yeah, where do you have your TP at?
Okay, let me see. On Nasdaq, it's at 18,098.9.
Oh, you going for everything, man. You better take some partials, man.
No, the what's it called? You know me, the take profits are what's it called? They're based on something. And if anything, that's my TP1. That's not even my like second or third TP. I trust me, I'm not greedy when it comes to take profits.
Okay.
The only question is if it's going to carry me there.
How many pips is
The only question is if it's going to carry me there.
That's 60 pips, bro. Fam, that's 60 pips, bro. You want to take some profits going up, or at least trail your stops, man. I mean,
I have.
Yeah, man. I mean, cause the indices, when they want to push, they just push. So I rate the hold, but even if we're gonna reach there, you might see some, because there's no news today, so there's no.
Yeah, it's news free.
There's not gonna be like at 9:30 hasn't hit yet, so between now and 9:30 there might be some pullback fuckery that might.
Yeah. Man, it is a risk I am.
But I feel it.
I've managed my shit, so I can't lose.
Yeah, for sure. That's what's
I've seen these moves play out multiple times. At 38.2% level, it always is.
Hell yeah. Nice one. Good luck on that one. In my news, GJ.
How's the trading been going?
GJ just been we've been calling the moves on GJ, but it hasn't given us entries. It gave us what I would say was a C tier entry, but I had to close that one sharply because it quickly became invalid. So I had like -2 pips on that one. Actually, I should put that on the stream. I didn't even see that. Trades taken.
I was trading. I was in buys of GJ this morning, but I got my exit signal and I was like, man, I should leave. I was feeling like it was still going to go up. I was like, no, let me follow my rules, and I don't regret it. But the thing was stalling, and then I just said, fuck it. I just got impatient. I was like, let me leave this thing. I'll stick to indices. I came back later in the afternoon. Most of the thing had gone to where I was aiming for. I was like, fuck.
Me myself, when I woke up, when I woke up in the morning, I got some GJ entries. Like I got 3 GJ entries. The first one, it just came back and break even. Then the second one, I got some profits out, but I was really expecting it to run, but it didn't run. It came back and hit my break even for whatever I had remaining on the table. And then it was only two. But then I went to sleep, but I couldn't even sleep. I should have just, in hindsight, I should have just stayed on the charts, man. I should have just stayed on the charts, because, bro, oh my goodness, GJ started doing all of this.
Oh, that's nasty.
It is what it is. Oh no, actually, all of this right here. Yeah, right here is where I went to sleep. I was like, nah, let me just chill out. And then we started doing all of this. It is what it is. So yeah, man. Yeah, you really wanted this hourly to close bullish, but you know, GJ is teasing us here. You're nothing out there. You're teasing me. You're nothing out there.
Nah, I'm down for the beyond. Targets have been hit, so I'm
Yes, sir. Get your Friday started, man. Go touch some dirt. Go kiss your kids on the forehead, man. Go hug your mama, son. Go touch some earth.
Let me see what GJ did on the 5.
What?
No, I said let me see what GJ did for the rest of the day, like on the 5 minutes. Oh, okay. It's been pushing. Let's see what that heifer is doing.
Gold hasn't done anything.
No, I mean it hit sell targets for me.
Cells? Where do you have cells? I know I rate it after the tick of these highs, right? Yeah, I feel
No,
you.
I mean like it's already happened. What I mean, like
no, I mean like where did you even get in the cells? I got no entries.
Oh no, I didn't. Okay, when I say hit my target, I don't always mean like I traded it. Like my indicator, it plots where my buy zone, my sell zone, and the target already. Like think of it as like some advanced Fibonacci level. So for the day, and it's based on the daily. So think of it that way. Based on the daily open, here's the Fibonacci levels. Here's where you buy. Here's where you sell. Entries for both buys and both sells. So I'm saying like I didn't take it, but according to past price movement for the day, it hits where I would have targeted. What's it called?
Gotcha.
My sells.
Gotcha.
Let me take a picture, send it on WhatsApp.
Nah, you don't need to. I get what you're saying.
Yeah. Alright.
I get what you're saying.
My first sell take profit target would have been at like 2017.89. The entry level is at 2022.7. So from there to there, that would be my TP1.
Gotcha. Yeah, we got peak viewers right now. One whole viewer, man. Peak. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
And they say don't trade on Fridays.
Cap.
I swear.
That's cap. You trade when the market gives you a trade, man. If the markets give you a trade on Saturday, take that shit.
Exactly. But where did that belief come from? Because I've heard it quite a bit. So maybe there's a specific strategy that doesn't work. Because they always say, Monday and Friday.
Yeah, it's like Friday is the end of the week, right? So if you think of the week as a cycle, like a cycle of price, right? It's like the end of the cycle. So I mean, things might not be as straightforward as you are used to it, like price action wise, you get. So I get actually no, scrap that. Like price, I think I was talking about this earlier in the morning as well. Like, price will do what price wants to do. If it gives you a position, it gives you a position. You get me? It's just that most times, at least, I mean, before I noticed it a lot more. I don't notice it as much now because I have so many other. Because before I was just looking for break and retest, right? But now I have so many other like confluences and a lot of more niche things I'm looking for, right? So I have a lot more room for entries. I have a lot more entries basically. But before it was like Fridays, always there was a lot of consolidation happening on Fridays based on like the pairs I was trading. I think I was trading Euro USD that time, eurjpy. Based on those pairs I was trading, they usually consolidated on Fridays. But I mean, if they give you it's almost like how Asian session a lot of times just consolidates on most pairs, right? So it's not really that you can't trade it or you shouldn't trade it. It's just that a lot of times it does nothing, right? Or at least it does nothing based on whatever strategy you are using, you get. But yeah, man, you can get trades any single time, bro. Any
Exactly.
single time you can get trades.
Exactly. And to add on that, like there are some days where like even if it's the middle of the week, like let's say Tuesday and Wednesday, that doesn't mean there'll be like moves. Like sometimes it's dry in the middle of the week. Like I
Yeah,
remember
man.
on a Wednesday I was trying to look for setups on Go. I got nothing. It was a whole range the entire day.
Exactly. And I think it's more of a psychology thing, to be honest, because I think I said it earlier as well. Like, imagine you take a loss on a Friday. Now you're thinking about it on Saturday, Sunday, and you can't trade Saturday, Sunday. So now you're just stuck on that loss. You're just stuck on that loss going into the week, and then maybe going into the new week, you still have that loss on your mind instead of just being like having a fresh start. But like, say you didn't trade. Let's say you took a loss on Thursday. You didn't trade Friday, so now you still have time to look at the charts and still be involved in the charts, and maybe not even take it. Even if you don't take a trade on Friday, it's almost like your slate got clean, So something like that. Psychology wise, I get why some people might say that for newer traders, but you can get your moves can play out anytime. Yeah, we might consolidate here, guys, man. We might consolidate. Because a lot of times what you see is and I recommend you go watch this podcast, Words of Wisdom.
Words of wisdom?
Wisdom,
kid.
yeah,
You want to raise the Forex market.
Nah, the dude is he always has like all these traders on, all these trading gurus, trading influencers.
Okay. I think I've seen this like once or so. Like he interviews a lot of like, don't vote here.
Don't vote there as well. Yeah, man. Like I was watching one, I think it's his last upload. The guy was talking about cycles where like a lot of things happen in cycles of 4, right? A lot of things happen in cycles of 4.
It's called Market Thesis. Yeah, the channel I sent you, they talk about it too. Yeah, the market has like, well, I don't know about 4, maybe there's a different one, but what I heard was like 3 phases. There's a contraction, or what people call consolidation, and there's the expansion phase that a lot of people get caught in a mistake for like the actual trend, and people deem term it like fake out or whatever. But it's the expansion phase when it just breaks out of the consolidation, and the third one is actually the trend. But continue. What were the 4 that they called it?
Yeah, like his is more in terms of time, right? So it's more time dependent. So like on what is it, on like a yearly scale, you have the 4 quarters of the year, right? And then in each you have 4 quarters in the year, right? So in each quarter of the year, there's a different sentiment that tends to happen in each quarter of the year. And then also what is it, like the four key times of market movement. So that would be 1:30 a.m, 1:30 p.m, right? 7:30 a.m, 7:30 p.m, right? So those are the 4 key market open times in terms of, or true market open times in terms of the sessions. And then you have the rule of 4 again with what is it called, like sessions, right? Because if you have well, all of that, I can't let me not misquote the guy, but why I brought that up was that he mentioned a lot of times when you have a certain a certain session, right? If you have a certain session, say one session you expanded during one session, most likely in the next session you're gonna consolidate, right? And then and vice versa, and then the next one you will expand, and then the next one you consolidate or you'll pull back, all of those kind of things, right? So we had all this expansion during London, right? We had all this expansion during London. So that being said, what are the chances? Because like, I mean, even if you look at yesterday, we had all this expansion during where's my yeah, you had price expanding during London, right? Like going up, we had bullish movement all the way through London, right? And then when New York opened, we started taking back all of those. We started grabbing back all of that movement, all of those orders, right? Just to continue going back up. And then what do we do during Asian? We just consolidated. Right? And now look again, London, and then London started up again. Or this is like late Asian, actually. This is like late Asian. We started, right? And then London continued the move up. We started expanding again, right? And now New York is coming down. It looks like we're gonna start taking back some orders here. We might tap into the money here as well. We've already tapped into some money over here, but we might tap into some. We might keep on dropping down to tap into some more money, right? And then at that point, we might be able to expect maybe today, maybe next week, but we might be able to expect some of that again, you know?
It's Friday.
Yeah.
Okay, no, you can close and reopen trades over the weekend, but I was just thinking about the BTC position I was holding. Sorry.
Are you on buys
or
or
sells?
sells?
I understand this thing, huh?
Are you on buys or sells?
Oh, I'm in the sells.
Shall I take swap fees into account as well?
Yeah, for sure.
Because swap fees are gonna be negative for you.
I was testing them on FXTM and that HFM hot forex market. The swap fees are cheaper on HFM, so I'm with them.
Yeah. I don't fully understand. Sorry to cut you off. I don't fully understand those swap fees. Is it like if you are in buys, it's always positive for you? Like the swap fees are always in your favor, and then vice versa, or what? I don't really know.
Swap fees are like it's a fee for holding your trade overnight. That's basically. I don't think it's positive or negative.
No, I've seen people with positive swap fees, like they are making money up the swap.
Serious?
Yeah, like they are making money up the swap fees. Before I thought it was just like you take buys, like since buys you are it's the main currency. I don't even know what I thought, but like the person that I saw Wix take a trade. He had a swing trade open. I think it was done actually. I think he had a swing trade open for a while, and he had some swap fees that were on it, and the swap fees were making a lot of money. It was making more money than some people's full position.
Oh shit!
But I'm not too.
Okay, no, I'm looking it up. Apparently, yeah. Like how do I put this? If you hold a long position, like you're buying the base currency, like a currency pair where the base currency has a higher interest rate as opposed to like the second part of it, what do they call it, the full currency. Yeah, okay, you're right. Actually, you receive a positive swap fee in that case. Gotcha. So basically, if the base currency has a higher interest rate, when you're buying, you get positive. But if you're selling and the base currency, what's it called? Oh, okay, yeah. If whether it's a buy or a sell, if the base currency has a higher interest rate, you get a positive swap fee. But that's crazy though.
Gotcha. So that means like gold would always have gold swap fees will always be negative, no?
I'm not going. Let me check.
Because interest rates, right? Because wouldn't the dollar always have higher interest rate than gold? Or am I bugging? I'm not sure about what I'm saying, to be honest. All right, 30 minutes.
That doesn't make sense. I need to look into this because I thought swap fees by default were just like like the cost of holding it overnight.
Yeah, I thought so as well, but
A swap fee, yeah, it's also known as rollover fees, overnight financing fees, interest rate differentials. Let me look up the actual definition.
yeah, like
Interest
if
rate
I guess if
differential
it makes sense, because if the differential is in your
currency
favor,
fluctuations.
you know, like if the
Okay, so you're
differential is in your
borrowing one
favor,
currency to buy another. The
yeah.
swap fee is now like the cost or profit associated with the borrowing. Okay, so you're borrowing one currency to buy another, and depending on how the value between the two fluctuates, you're kind of earning or losing. Okay, so like okay, when I first started, this reminds me of a concept someone taught me. When I first started learning Forex, this Hassan guy or what I forgot his name, but he was on Udemy. When he was explaining how like selling could make you money, like let's forget the swap concept for a bit. Think about let's say your friend just bought a new iPhone, right? And you go to his parents and ask him to like give you that iPhone so you can make money. So they give you that iPhone and you sell it because you think there's going to be news that comes out the next day that will make these iPhones cheaper. So you sell it right now, wait for the next day, and it becomes, let's say the news comes out and sure enough it becomes cheaper because like I don't know, let's say the Apple CEO got caught in a scandal or something, so now everyone's selling it for cheaper. You sold it before, and then when you buy it back again, because you kind of borrowed it, you buy back the phone, you give it back to your friend, but you made profits of it because you sold it and bought it at different prices. The difference is higher, so you made money. But if the next day, like let's say news came out, and let's say some metals are now actually rare, so they now hiked up the price. You were borrowing that iPhone, so now not only do you have to replace it, you have to replace it at a higher price. So I guess swaps kind of work like that. And you know, interest rates what make the world go round. Everyone's talking about how interest rates can control a certain currency or anything. So I guess that's how it works.
The more you know, the more you know.
In a state type thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, so I think that's how it
look
works.
into. And that's been 5 minutes with Michael. We're gonna give you your own session. Now 5 minutes with Michael. May you educate the people. Yeah, so nothing going on right now, to be honest with you. We're consolidating. And yeah, to be honest, we're consolidating here. Let me see if gold is offering anything. So 30 minutes, we're just closing inside this range right now. 5:15. I don't really have a play on gold until we close above this area. Yeah, I don't really have a close on gold until we close above this area, and that's gonna be an hourly close. So
yeah,
nothing right now.
Not really advise on gold.
Yeah, nothing right now. 15:30. Just knowing how GJ moves, because I mean, look at these candle formations, right? We've tapped into the money. We opened up, pushed straight up, right? So this was straight rejection from tapping into the money, right? This level is a daily level. This is basically an imaginary level on the lower time frame, but it's a daily level, and we're holding support or resistance. This daily level is holding resistance, right? So that means this is heavy resistance. So really, before you start getting involved in buys, you want to see closures above. You really want to see closures above, preferably this hourly closure above. If you get this hourly close bullish, close above, you could have some good buys going up. But that means you need to wait for the hourly close here. If this respects, I'm done for the day. I don't even think I'll look. I don't even think I'll look for. I'll look to take that. But we could push here. We could flip and
Oh,
push.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, that's some
Very
bullshit.
possible.
Oh, no.
What
No
happened?
fucking way. No fucking way.
I'm guessing Nas.
That's some hold up. Sorry.
It's still going up, fam.
Man, no, because it should have hit my TP. Yeah, look. Oh my god. Nah.
Where did you
Hold on,
close? How many pips from your TP did
It's
you close?
right there, fam. Come on. Okay, maybe it's spread, but still, that's some fucking cock.
Hey, that's a dub though. That's a
Nah,
dub
but-
though.
Man, I don't know if I should close right now or
Close,
no,
man.
look
What
at-
do you mean? Close, fam. What, Nas?
NAS and S&P 500, fam.
Bro, close something. Even if it's not full, close something. I mean, you
Nah, I'm
already
closing
tapped.
for because oh shit.
Yeah, close majority at least, and let a little
No,
bit run.
because it's even if I close full, it's not bad. So I close full because it's Friday again. I'm not willing to hold myself. There's already a lot more.
Yeah, nah, like, cause you tapped into the area you were looking for already, right? So that's your profits right
You
there.
see what I sent to WhatsApp?
Let me see.
Some BS guy. Like I told you, it always touches that level. Like,
Yeah, spreads, man. It spreads.
I guess no, but still, guy. Like, because
It
the
spreads.
spreads on the fibers are fair. Like,
Yeah.
this is pettiness, man.
Yeah, but if you know it, but now that you know it, try and pay attention to the trade so that
trust me,
you can
I
at
always
least.
do it with bit, and it's going up to my level still. You know, it is what it is. Yeah, it's going up to my level still. Man, yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Just a few more pips. I can't be mad.
That's a W.
It's a job. It's a job.
I'm going to get I'm gonna get a soundboard.
Nah, nice way to end the weekend, sharp. Profit is profit, man. It's not as if I hold myself.
That's a W. Oh boy, hey, I don't care. I put that on stream. That's a stream W. What are you talking about? I don't care.
And the same thing happened on S&P 500.
I'm putting that as a stream W, dog. I don't care if I called it or not. That's a stream W, because it's a W on stream.
And the reason why I was like that, the reason I was heated is because this happened on 2 pairs.
Nah, it is what it is, man.
Like
you
how
got
can my
profits.
level get tapped on 2 pairs and the thing's not activated?
You got profits, my boy. That's all that matters. Okay, look at this. Yeah, look at my call on Bitcoin. Just so when it happens exactly like this, so that they will not say I didn't do jazz.
Got stopped out a few seconds ago on Bitcoin.
Yeah, man.
Personal.
Check me out right here. Now we tapped into these levels. If we close below here, if we close below on the 4 hour, and if that closure below coincides with a 4 hour signal as well, because look at the signal chart. If that 4 hour closure coincides with the signal, oh, I'm gonna sell that. I'm selling that shit. I'm selling that shit. Yeah, let's see, we have an hour till that happens, so we'll see. Bitcoin moves in the weekend, so I'm cool with holding that one.
Fair. Oh, it's even dropped. Wait, what the hell? Is that 50,000?
Yes, around 50,000, or 51,000 really.
That's odd. Hold on, let me check my. Yeah, is that 51K on my chart?
Yeah, it's 51,000. Yeah, 51.
Okay, no, but the spreads are actually atrocious. Yeah, so. Oh yeah, by the way, on HFM, if you're on the pro accounts, like the spreads are not only decent, but it's commission free. Like the spreads are just as tight as FXTM, but then there's now no commission. So I was like, yeah. But the unfortunate thing is that it's only gold and GJ. That's like not an indices pair that I actually dabble in. It's mostly indices, and I'm still considering like whether I should keep gold on the roster.
Always on the roster, man.
Nah, man, not for me. I think someone just joined. Oh, Rooks is in the chat. Your boy finally shows up. Hey, like the video. I know you can.
My brother, thank you. We actually. The guy. Okay, I think said the guy did the stream. I forgot. But hey, I go mute you guys right now. Well, no, when I feel they talk, I will just mute you for stream.
Oh, I'm going.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, may I mute myself for Discord stuff? Man, this double. Okay, so I mean, the only thing that can happen here, right? The only thing that can happen here is a closure of the hourly, and I don't want to say if it's likely or not likely, but all I can tell you is this level right here needs to get broken. Now that we've retested and held the resistance here, this daily support or this daily level, we need to break above there before I can consider the moves going continuing up. So that being said, we're gonna be waiting on the hourly closure, but I'm not gonna be doing that on stream though. Let me see with gold, we wicked into these level, and then we close back into this range. So I'm not too sure. I don't really have much of a play on gold. We might just start consolidating here. That is a possibility, but yeah, not much of a play on gold for me. GJ though, yeah, closures above. Possibly with a closure below. If we get a closure below here, possibly we'll take the sales continuing down to these levels. Yeah, so that's yet to be seen as well. So everything depends on the hourly close, right? So
50-50, but I have.
So yeah, yeah. So that's what I'll be looking for if I get anything. But of course, it's a Friday, man. If you already got good profits during the week, go hug your kids, bro. Your kids ain't seen you since Monday. Go hug your kids. Go kiss your wife or something, or your husband. I don't know, right? And enjoy the weekend. Thank you for tuning in. We're gonna be back again next week, Monday to Friday, same time, same place, same strategy, same discipline. You know what I mean? Yeah, thank you for tuning in, my brother. Have fun. And I know you come when at the end stream, so we thank you. I appreciate your presence. All right, so yeah, that'll be it for me. Hope you guys remember, stay profitable, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.
We're discussing the ride-on.
You said there's a new problem coming to Unite.
That's the name of the book on the ride-on.
Coming to Unite.
My guy was thinking of something else.
Why this was?
Everything is geared to marry.
No wonder why this was. It's not wrong.
No, but his reasoning doesn't
No,
doesn't
but
check.
me, I want to understand why